This morning is not just a ceremony, it is a milestone. A moment when we pause to celebrate, to give thanks, and to look ahead. Today we acknowledge that your journey through Santa Sabina has reached its conclusion, and a new journey filled with opportunity, challenge, and growth awaits. At Santa Sabina, you have not simply been educated, you have been formed in the Dominican tradition. You have learned that truth, Veritas, is not a fixed thing that we can hold on to, but a living pursuit. Congratulations, class of Year 12. The world is waiting for a story that only you can write. Congratulations.
It is a privilege and an honour to be speaking to you all right now, to have been your college captains this year, to be graduating after having an education here, and to know you all. Year 12, we are so proud of you. As my mum said in her graduation speech, I am grateful for all the yesterdays, I am not afraid of tomorrow, and oh, how I love today.
Sadness, in a way, is a beautiful feeling, because it means that something meant enough to us and that we loved something enough to miss it when it ends. Not to be cliche, but there's nothing I love more than a coming-of-age movie. So to quote The Perks of Being a Wallflower, I know these will all be stories someday, and our pictures will become old photographs. But right now, these moments are not stories. This is happening. This is our moment, class of 2025. We will never forget this.